Yo, what's up everybody? Ochoa back with another video, and in today's video, if you guys don't see it, I already got a mess set up over here and everything, but in today's video I will be going to install a Caruse Aeroflap. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or social media like I say in like every other video, then go do that, because you see this box right here. This box right here is what I just ordered, and what I just ordered is this. Like I said, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys don't know, but look at that, guys. Caruse Design Aeroflap. Now, I'm not going to fully take it out of the box yet, because I don't want to show you what it looks like just yet until I get it mounted on. But what I'm doing right now is I'm actually covering up these holes right here. Well, redoing them, because the way my stepfather had done them in the previous video, which is going to be up here for you guys if you want to watch it, when I put the SI wing on. The way he did it, I didn't like it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to repatch them. I already took off all the metal patches and stuff that he did, and most of the glue, so that's good enough for me. That's a soft enough surface. And what I have here is I have a black piece of vinyl. It's not a black piece of wrap or anything. It's literally just like a decal sticker or something that is the size of my trunk. And I got this from my boy, Paradise Customs. His link will be in the description if you want to get your own custom decals or custom, vinyls, whatever. He doesn't do automotive wraps, but these are like stickers, like decals, so like the ones I have up here. So if you want something like that for a pretty decent price and anything you want, then hit him up. Link will be in the description. He wouldn't mind getting some business, so yeah, hit him up, because these are really good quality. I even got some Ochoa's Garage ones that I'm about to put on for self-promotion on myself. I'll show you those later on in the video, and it's about to look so much cleaner than having just these holes and having to be lifted how they were. So yeah, enough talking, let's get started and get this going. What we must do first is, yes, I have already removed most of the glue, but yes, it's still like dirty and stuff. So we're gonna grab some soap and some water and some paper towels. This is what I got, so we'll use that to clean the area where that's gonna go on, so that it's nice and clean and it has a nice surface to stick onto. You don't have to use this soap, you can use like dish soap or something, but this is the only soap I happen to have right now, so good enough. I'll just use a little bit of this, and yeah, so let's just get to cleaning. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna okay, yeah, don't mind that. What I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna add like a little dollop of soap. This is a really watery and sticky soap, so I'll probably do like that much, because I don't want to do too much. I'm literally going to do that and probably spread it around the area real quick with some water so that it can dilute. I probably should have wet the area first, but it's okay. Because I don't want to get too much in the holes, so just wet the area a little bit. And get some soap, clean it off. Make sure it's nice and clean, because you really want this vinyl to stick on well. So obviously you don't gotta be a perfect cleaning, but try to get a nice job, and then you pour some water. Obviously I'm getting some in the holes, but that is okay. That's expected. Make sure it's nice and dry. The area fully. And my boy actually just pulled up. Look at him. I think he's just gonna be here to watch me, but yeah, we're here to get this on. I missed a few spots, it looks like. I don't even think the vinyl's gonna be going up this high, but that's fine. Let's get started. Let's just try putting it on anyways. We'll start with one corner, since I'm thinking that's the easiest thing to do. Or should we ask for his advice? Let's ask for his advice real quick. Yo, come here. We're gonna need your expert advice, because peep, it's gonna cover the holes for that spoiler.
For this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Unless I put it matte thin, but look at that. It's mad weird that the way the holes are lined up.
Oh. So put it on, lining it up with the middle hole.
Yeah, and then what I was planning on doing with the excess, bro, just...
No, look, put it over. Straight. So right here in the middle hole, you do the screw, but this straight across. The excess, I'll cut it with the X-Acto blade. I have the X-Acto blade.
I'm gonna start.
You want me, or are you recording?
Is it raining?
It's honestly, it is going to rain.
That work quick then.
Yeah.
You're
gonna have to like cover this. Oh, it's hail.
Whoa.
Yo, what?
Well, you guys got that shit on camera. It started hailing and it just stopped. Gotta just do that vinyl mad quick.
Okay, do it quick. You got time, but you need to dry that shit now. You got rags, so you need me to give you a rag.
You got a rag, right?
Yeah, that rag.
You think you could do it quicker than me? Cause you know more what you're doing than me with that. But I know what you mean. But that way I
I
don't
need this bitch dry.
I know dry, right?
We need to work quick. So like you making me work under some funny conditions. For your purposes, honestly, focus on getting the best camera angle you want.
That's why I have it on my head. It's already angled at a good angle. I just needed to.
Now, if
you
you
need me to
do
lift
want to
it-
help me,
Oh yeah, I
you can
got
help
you.
the other end of this vinyl so that
Gabe, try to hold this up like this if you can.
it stays
Yeah,
straight.
try to keep it up in the air, cause
That's the sticky side. Hold the corner right here. No. Don't be. We're gonna line it up. I'm gonna put the middle of this vinyl, lining it up here. So move all the way to the end. It don't have it touch yet. Wait till I'm ready to place it, cause make sure it covers your screw holes and mine. You good there?
Yep.
Okay, so just place it down.
Oh no.
We're gonna have to relift
Oh,
it.
but regardless, there's gonna be some air bubbles because the way that job was done before.
Oh yeah, there's still a couple of
Lift it up a little. That's what sucks because you're not supposed to relift it like
Yeah, I know, man. You damaged it.
this. You don't like. You gotta play with it. But the thing is,
You can damage it still.
don't have a smooth end here, so regardless,
Yeah, it's like
gonna have
it's
some
like a
air
weird-
bubbles.
Yeah, it's like got a weird bend, right? It don't have to be perfect, bro.
Nah, but because the little gaps you have here and how it's rough because of the way that job was done.
Hey, it'll look better than. It already looks better.
And then I run the X-Acto blade through there. Alright, so now you can actually start. Oh, I'll start peeling it off for you.
Alright, well, he's gonna cut the corners, guys. But yeah, basically, honestly, my job wasn't to make it as perfect as possible. But you guys can see that the old holes are definitely covered. And all we did was covered one of the new holes, and we have two of the old ones still exposed, which is a good thing because now all we gotta do is open that one little section and we'll still have most of this wrapped. And now, once all of this is trimmed and we have just that little piece, one is gonna look stock again, and two, it's gonna look so much better than with those patches that were just at the top. So I don't know what he's looking for, but we'll let him do that. I actually want to show you guys something because I did tell you I had some Ochoa's Garage stickers that I was going to put on my car, but I also have some that I want to give away, and I have both of them right here. I don't even know how to put this, but here you guys go. Oh, okay. I'll do big and I'll do small right here. Sure. There you guys go. You guys got the Ochoa Garage stickers, and this big one right here is the one that's going to be going on my car. And can you guys guess the location? You probably won't guess the location, but I'm going to be putting them right here. This one is going to be going right there, and I'm going to be flexing on everyone and just, you know, promoting myself, I guess, everywhere I go. So I have made a few extras of these, not me, but I have had my boy make a few extras of these, so that when I get to 500 subscribers, I plan on doing a local subscriber meet and maybe giving some of these away. So if you want to promote me, or you really like my content and you want some Ochoa's Garage stickers, then you should probably get me to 500 subscribers and you'll be able to win one of these. And if you want to know what they look like on car, we walk over here to my boy's Accord. He already put it on his gas cap, and look at that, Ochoa's Garage, nice and clean with the Instagram sticker and the YouTube. And best part about it is it's vinyl, so it's water resistant, it can last in the rain. So if you want some, if you want me to add them to the store, let me know down below. But for now, I'm gonna be giving them away. And yeah, so let's continue with the spoiler install. Hopefully the spoiler, once it sits on it, it grabs a little more of the edge of the wrap though, and it'll give it a little more security. So, but for now, it already does look way better. Yo, that already looks so much better. Yo, let's just sit it on top so we can see with the front.
It looks better because it looks cleaner.
Look at that, guys.
It doesn't look like there's a mistake.
If that color was the spoiler color, it would look almost perfect. But even with it being a gloss black on a... Huh? Yeah, I'm glad too.
Because even though it's not a wrap,
look at
it
that.
at least fixes that little thing a little more.
Way better, bro. I'm so glad I don't have to see those white patches anymore. Shit. Anyway, now we just put it back together and then we can get to the Aeroflap install.
Said it's not brick. I'm freezing.
Well, it's because I got the Tommy on. That's why. Alright, guys. So here comes the best part. And it's finally getting this thing on. So here's what it's gonna look like once it's on. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I cannot wait to finally get that bitch on, guys. I've been waiting all day. I swear it took longer than it was supposed to, but shh. Yep. We got the 3M tape right here. But before we get the 3M tape on, we gotta get some alcohol prep pads to wipe that bitch down because
You don't have versatile alcohol.
yeah, because we don't got alcohol to clean that, and we need a good sticking surface. This 3M tape's been through a lot. Alright, so in order to put this is double-sided 3M tape. You guys know that we're gonna need. So let me show you real quick before I show you. So when you guys put the spoiler on, you guys know that there's a little flap right here. This little flap is gonna sit kind of tucked under, but not really, just touching the little edge of the SI wing, just like that. And so what you want to do is you want to center it. I'm not sure if the badge is what's supposed to be centered with the Honda badge or not, but just find what position looks the best. Make sure that it looks even enough for your liking. And you basically start stripping all around the bottom of this so that when you go to do this again, you just plant it on. But from here, you got the position you want. Keep it in that position. Just boom, flipped it around. And now we're going to 3M it. What we're going to do is just 3M around here. Yo, you got your blade?
You want my blade like this or my X-Acto knife? X-Acto knife will give you like a better cut.
So X-Acto or blade, whichever one you got. So what you're going to do is you're going to put two pieces like that. And then we're going to do it long ways. That way it has a nice piece to adhere to. So I'm just waiting to cut it because I don't want to cut it sloppy. I want it to be nice and done. Don't do it the ghetto like I just did there. Wait for the X-Acto blade. But yeah, we're basically just going to do that. And then do another one and do that on each side. And then do it along the edge. So that you guys have a nice area to work with. You know what? I gotta get my phone and text my girl because I haven't texted her all day. She probably thinks I've got. Oh, my phone's dead though. Oh shit.
You cut yourself?
With the tip.
Oh, Eric. You're stupid. I'll fix these ones up. Go place the tape. like 3Ming, but
It ain't perfect 3mm, but it works. Alright, so
yeah, it should have a good amount of support.
now I can finally peel the plastic off of this, which is what I've been waiting to actually do all video, guys. Like, I literally have been wanting to peel this plastic off for the longest because that looks so satisfying. But I don't even know where we're gonna start. I guess that's the place to start. We're just gonna pull it up like this. I'm all dirty and I'm gonna dirty this, but it's okay because it's gonna go through the wash at some point anyway. So you don't understand how satisfying I find it to open new car parts.
Don't drop it.
Ooh. Oh, look at how shiny that is. I can see myself through the fucking thing, yo. Yes. Yo, that is so shiny. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but yeah, that shit looks so good. Yo, alright. Yo, that badge, that badge is the badge of flex. So, once again, we test fit it. See how the fuck we want it to fit. Make sure.
That's nice.
Yeah, make sure it's lined up correctly to my liking. That's as centered as I think I'm gonna get it. So this is what it's going to look like. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but now all we gotta do is basically peel the 3M tape and start mounting it. Alright guys, so the 3M tape has been peeled, and now again we set it up how we want it. Make sure you guys have it set up how you want it, because
Before you put it down and
once you start sticking it, because once you start sticking it, it'll be a pain in the ass. Go. Sure it's centered. And once it's centered, guys, just if you can hold it for a few seconds, that's even better, but apply a little bit of pressure.
a little bit, right?
To make sure that your shit doesn't fall off. Let it dry up basically, and there you guys go. Aeroflap install. That's how you get a duckbill. But yeah guys, here's the final results. Obviously it is the next day because obviously it got dark, but it looks really good, and I'm so glad that I got it on, especially the side angles, because the side angles are the best. Yo, like, I cannot explain how good this looks. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and like I mentioned earlier on in the video, if you were paying attention, when I get to 500 subs, I want to do a local subscriber meet somewhere nearby. So, you know, if you're a local subscriber, stay tuned, because I will be doing that local subscriber meet real soon. I think I'm like 20 subs away, so please get me there. You guys have been killing it with the support lately. I love y'all. And yeah, with that being said, hope you enjoyed today's video, and Ochoa's out.